Today we are going to test if old yeast is still viable. This packet is from September 2012 best use date, and it is now June 2020. We will try to rehydrate the yeast. We're going to add about a half a cup of water, a little bit of sugar, and a little bit of flour, and then let's see if the yeast comes to life. Okay, so we're going to about a half a cup of water. I'm going to pop it in the microwave for probably 10 seconds. Okay, put your finger in and it should be a little bit warmer, not too hot. So it's more like room temperature. Okay, now I'm going to put probably about a teaspoon of sugar in. I'm going to throw the yeast in. And I'm going to just throw a teaspoon of flour in as well. And you'll see the yeast is starting to drop down as it rehydrates. You can see that it's bubbling, so there are signs of life. What I'm going to do now is stir it. Some nice bubbles in there, which is a good sign. Good smell. Has a nice bready smell too. Now, just to keep it going a little bit, I'm going to put a little bit more flour in. Sort of like a starter dough. Here you will see about a half an hour after feeding it a little flour, it has come to life. Okay, let's see how it's rising. Again, this is from September 2012, nearly 8 years past expiration. Okay, so it seems like we have proven that 8 years post-expiration yeast is viable for making bread. Okay, now you can see in the oven, the bread has risen massively. Looks delicious. Here we have the two perfect loaves from the 2012 expired vintage yeast. 8 years expired. Each year it gets better. We have another package. We will try it again at 10 years and see what happens. Thank you, everybody, and please subscribe to the Joe Locks channel. Thank you for watching.